Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity. These words aren't just buzzwords. They define the battlefield where today's reputation is built or destroyed. Business leaders now operate in a VUCA world. Decisions made yesterday might not withstand tomorrow's shocks. A single misstep, an unexpected crisis, or a sudden shift can send ripples throughout the organization and far beyond. The VUCA framework, borrowed from military strategy, captures a landscape filled with rapid change, unpredictable events, intricate connections, and blurry signals. Reputation has never been so vulnerable. Every moment holds the power to accelerate growth or erode trust. For years, organizations relied on reactive crisis management, waiting for trouble, then scrambling to respond. But in a world ruled by VUCA, this strategy is outdated. By the time you react, the damage may already be done. Silence, delay, or denial only deepen uncertainty and breed suspicion. Reputation management demands a shift. The new approach is proactive, agile, and transparent. It means anticipating threats before they become headlines. It means building robust communication channels, actively listening, and engaging stakeholders in real time. Agility is not just a buzzword. It's the cornerstone of credibility. When leaders move quickly, adapt messaging, and own mistakes openly, they create a foundation of trust, even amid chaos. Transparency is non-negotiable. In a VUCA world, openness isn't just ethical, it's strategic. Honest information, timely updates, and genuine accountability turn uncertainty into opportunity. The path forward isn't reactive. It's responsive, resilient, and radically open. Business leaders must reimagine reputation management before the next crisis strikes. The time for change is now. Are you ready to lead with agility and transparency?